Alright guys, it's time to show you guys a new fuel system for the Integra. It's a K2 Racing fuel system. I got it from Jeff Revline. I will leave his Facebook page and his website at the bottom in the description box. Also, there is a code for his website, which I will mention it later. But this is who I got it from. And huge shout out to Jeff. Thank you very much. He's been a huge help for getting everything that I need for the Integra, pretty much. Everything has pretty much gone through him. His pricing is great. You can't beat it. And also with the discount he gave me for you guys, it's also a deal also. But I will mention that in a little bit. But for now, let's check this out. The braided hoses, AN fittings, super nice. There goes some more. Another line. I think black's going to look nice with the black valve cover that I have for this motor. The fuel rail's in here. Guess I can open this guy up. This is the full rail, lines, fuel pressure regulator. This has everything. So I am very excited for this. Especially with me wanting to go turbo, I want the return fuel setup, and what was on the Integra was not a return setup. That's super nice. So I'm very happy with this. I cannot wait to get this on the car. There is the fuel pressure regulator. It even says E85 safe on it, so that's awesome. And this should be the gauge. Yeah, there it is. The fuel pressure gauge. Shockproof, liquid filled, 100 psi. And some other tools there. So I will say this is going to be a great setup for the Integra, and I am probably going to install it here shortly. So just so you guys know, ordering from Jeff Revline, he gave me a code that is 5% off his website if you spend more than $100. That code is RS18. So enter that, 5% off. Every penny in this hobby that we can save is definitely awesome and an advantage for us. So again, thank you, Jeff. This fuel system's awesome. Thank you, K-Tuned. And next video, you guys will see it installed on the Integra. So like, subscribe, share the video. But this fuel system is going to be pretty sweet, and it's going to look way better than what was in here before. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this knocked out and get this installed on the Integra, which you guys will see in the next video.